So I just want to fix something. We want to know how long it'll take for the value of the house to double. There is, for doubling, there is a rule of 72. And what the rule of 72 is, that if you have a rate and a number of years, actually it's it's a rate per time period and the number of those time periods, then if the rate times the number of years equals 72, you will have your value double. So for example, if I had a rate of 7.2%, let's say that's what my account was yielding, and I kept the money in there for 10 years, it would, because these two multiply to 72, the amount in my account would double. And in this case, and we could flip these, right? We could say for if we had 10% for 7.2 years, since that equals 72, our amount at this with these parameters would double. So what do we have up here? We have, is it 4.62? 4.62%. 4.62%. The number of years it would take to double, we would have to divide 72 divided by 4.62, and that would be between 15 and 16 years. So I'm going to say approximately 16 years. Times 16 years, this is equal to 72. So you're not going to be able to see it from this graph because this only goes to year 12. This rule of 72 isn't something that you have to memorize, but it's always good to know. The value of a speedboat can be modeled by this function. Oh, look, so this is dk, so that makes a lot of sense. So it's worth $115,000 initially, right? Because that's at time 0 would be 115,000. The decay factor is 0.91, and the decay rate, this is just it's decaying at 9% per year, because 9 plus 91 is 100%, and this 0.91 is really 1 minus 0.09. That's just this term right here. Use the equation to find the value in the following years. So this was 115K, so 2, so with 0.91 times 0.91, so it's going to be worth 83% of its original value. So that's 95,232. 95,232. And after 4 years, so that's 2 more periods, so times 91% times 91%, still going down, 78,861, and I'm not going to keep doing that, but 78,861. And it would be, so we start out here at 115K, so alright, so it's not on the graph, so we go up here and time equals 0 here, and it went down to 95, so I don't know, maybe that'd be here, then 78, which is about here, so the function would look like this. Use the graph to estimate how long it'll take for the value to be half. Yeah, well, my graph is terrible. You're going to have to make your own graph. But I'm guessing you're going to be able to see it after you do a couple iterations. Alright, so let me go get some more problems. Oh, that's it. That's the end of the problems. Okay, well, that's it. Good luck. We're all counting on you. Don't forget. Just don't forget to your negative sign. So this is a couple of things for your algebra test. If you have something like 7 minus 2 times x minus 5, and you need to let's say simplify this expression. Don't forget that this minus 2 distributes over both these terms. The minus 2 does, okay, not just the 2. So we get 7, and this is minus 2x, and negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. So don't forget that. Also, don't forget when you have an inequality like negative x is greater than 7, when you divide or multiply both sides by negative 1. So let's do times, oh, that looks like an x, so times negative 1, the equality will go the other way. So x would be less than minus 7 here. So don't forget that. Don't forget that. And we're going to do great. Good luck on the final. You can email me with any questions. Initrade, I-N-I, let me write that down. INITRADE at yahoo.com. If you email me any questions or you want to set up a time to talk, if anything wasn't clear, you just want to ask me some questions, let's go for it. Okay. Good luck. We're all counting on you.